Hey everybody, it takes a lot of accessories to keep this hair in order. When I need organization, I go to the best person for the job, my granddaughter. She asked me for a chore to earn some money. I thought this would be the wonderful opportunity to get my drawer organized by a professional, which she is very, very professional about organizing. She's much better at it than I am, but she had no idea what she was getting into. She is just blown away. She's wanting to know what is all of this on top of the organizing box. And I explained to her, once I get my hairstyle done and I take it out, instead of opening the lid and putting everything in the box and shutting the lid, I just set it on top of the lid and think I'll do it later. And guess what? Later never comes. So she said, Grandma, why don't you just take the lid off of the box? She's given me things to put away. I sort of assist her, and she is just blown away. Here she is telling me that I'm going to have to Marie Kondo my hair accessories. I've got to say goodbye to some of them. I've got some of my hair accessories mixed in with other items. So I'm taking hair stuff and putting it where it goes, and like hairsprays and things like that. And also I had some nail items and I had to go put those in the closet. And she is honing me down to perfection. If it is not hair related, I am not allowed to have it in this drawer. And there she found my mother's ring, which is now in our safe. And then that's a gold ring that a friend of mine gave me. The mother's ring has my 5 children's names on it. These are brooches that I had also, and that was a necklace that my aunt made for me, a sea turtle. I love sea turtles. And she passed away, and her daughter gave me that sea turtle necklace. Let's see. I'm trying to narrate this, and there's so much to be done. I truly did pick the right person for this job. She's asking me why I have safety pins involved with hair. And believe me, I think I have used everything possible to fix my hair, but I have never used a safety pin. The safety pins are there where I'm doing my hair, and I may use them on clothing items. You can see this place is loaded. She's asking me, why do I have so many combs? I only need at least 2 combs. And now I had to put the other combs away. Look, she's got the drawer cleared out. And what she did is she took out the trays out of the box, and she's letting them sit individually. And then she rolled up my headbands, put elastics around them, hair ties.
So how'd it go?
To keep them in there.
Well, we definitely made it better. We have
And now you can see this drawer is coming together,
clips that have, like,
and she
animal
has it
print,
all
like,
itemized
plain
by
black,
item.
fancy ones. And we have the beaded clips
It looks
here.
so good.
We have
This
clear
girl
hair
has
ties, and then black
earned
hair ties,
her money.
thinner hair ties. And then we have thicker hair ties here that are also black. We have spin pins, lots of them, and then bobby pins, all different colors and sizes and whatever. We have headbands that are rolled up and then have rubber bands around them to keep them from exploding everywhere. We have safety pins for clothes or whatever, or hair if needed. And then just other pins and things that are used less often, but still.
Headbands.
Yeah, then we have skinnier headbands here that are not able to
Extra
roll up.
spin pins.
Yes, extra spin pins. And non-flexible hair ties. Headbands. Then we have this mirror here and the brush and combs.
Okay.
All different.
So this basically is the stuff that I use the most often.
Yes. It is easy accessible.
And then
These right here that got stuck.
these are for clothing.
Yes, plain outfits, just accessories. Fans here, like some fancy fans.
That's for summer camp.
Yes.
Tent revivals.
Extra glasses, contact lens stuff. And then these are fancy brooches and hairpins and things like that that are, you know.
Okay. For dressier occasions.
Yeah.
Thank you. So
Okay, that's not gonna.
now for the reward. Whoops. Let me see the reward. There's the reward.
Thanks for watching.
You earned
Please
it.
like and subscribe.